The discussion around whether the DJI Osmo Action 7 will be a major upgrade over the Osmo Action 6 is picking up speed as we move through 2026. The Action 6, which arrived in late 2025, made quite a splash with its variable aperture and that unique one, over 1.1-inch square sensor. It really felt like a massive hardware shift at the time. However, as we look toward the rumored late 2026 launch for the Action 7, the focus seems to be shifting from physical changes to a massive boost in internal brains and resolution. For those currently using the Action 6, the decision to upgrade will likely come down to whether you need the absolute cutting edge of video resolution and AI-driven stability, or if the current physical advantages like the adjustable lens are already enough for your workflow. One of the biggest areas of speculation involves the sensor. While the Action 6 already uses a very large one, over 1.1-inch sensor that captures about 13.5 stops of dynamic range, the Action 7 is rumored to stick with a similar physical size, but with a much faster readout speed. This is a technical way of saying the camera will be able to process light and motion much quicker than the current model. This faster sensor technology is reportedly what will allow the Action 7 to hit 8K at 60 frames per second, which is a major jump from the Action 6's 4K focus. If this rumor holds true, the Action 7 would provide much more flexibility for professional editors who want to crop their footage without losing quality, making it a potentially significant upgrade for those who produce high-end content for large screens. Video capabilities are where the Action 7 might really separate itself. The Action 6 is already a powerhouse with 4K at 120 frames per second. But the rumored specs for the Action 7 suggest it could reach 4K at 240 frames per second for ultra-slow motion shots. For anyone filming fast sports like biking or surfing, having twice the slow motion capability at such a high resolution is a big deal. There is also talk of the Action 7 supporting a true 15-stop dynamic range throughout its aperture range. While the Action 6 is no slouch in this department, having that extra bit of detail in the brightest clouds or the darkest shadows would make the footage look even more like it came from a professional cinema camera rather than a tiny action device. This would be a major win for people who spend a lot of time color grading their videos to get a specific look. Stabilization is another field where we might see a generational leap. The Action 6 uses Rocksteady 3.0, which is already incredibly smooth, but the Action 7 is expected to debut Rocksteady 4.0. The big difference here is rumored to be AI predictive logic. Instead of just reacting to a bump, the camera would use its sensors and machine learning to predict where the motion is going and smooth it out before it even hits the final file. This could make for video that feels even more fluid and natural, especially during intense, unpredictable movements. When you combine this with the rumored smart framing that keeps a person centered in the shot automatically, the Action 7 starts to look like a much smarter tool for solo creators than the Action 6, which relies more on traditional electronic stabilization. Practical features are also part of the major upgrade conversation. The Action 6 introduced 50 gigabytes of built-in storage, which was a huge safety net for everyone. Rumors for the Action 7 suggest this could be pushed even further to 128 gigabytes, along with faster transfer speeds. Battery life is also expected to get a boost, with a more efficient cooling system potentially allowing the Action 7 to record for nearly 5 hours, compared to the already impressive 4 hours on the Action 6. For long adventures where swapping batteries isn't an option, that extra hour could be the difference between getting the final shot of the day or coming home with an empty card. These small improvements often matter just as much as the headline resolution specs when you are actually out in the field. Low-light performance is the final piece of the puzzle. The Action 6 is already very good at night thanks to its large pixels and the f2.0 aperture option. However, the Action 7 is rumored to bring in a new AI-driven noise reduction system that works specifically with high frame rate shots. This would mean that even if you are filming in 4K at night, the footage might look cleaner and more detailed than what the Action 6 can currently produce. If you do a lot of filming at sunset or in dark city environments, this software side improvement could be a major reason to consider the new model. It is these kinds of intelligent updates that often define whether a new camera feels like a small step forward or a major technological jump. Looking at the overall picture, the Action 6 is still an incredibly modern piece of hardware with its variable aperture and square sensor, and for many, it will remain more than enough for years to come. But if the rumors about the Action 7's 8K capabilities, high-speed slow motion, and predictive AI stabilization are accurate, it would definitely qualify as a major upgrade for those who need the absolute best performance possible. It seems DJI is aiming to bridge the gap between action cameras and professional imaging tools even further. As we get closer to the end of the year, it will be fascinating to see which of these rumored specs make it into the final product and how much of a lead they will give the Action 7 over the current flagship. For someone who mostly shares on social media in 1080p or 4K, the Action 6 is a powerhouse that is hard to beat. It is an exciting time to be following this tech, as the line between action camera and professional camera continues to disappear with every new release. The regulatory environment is the only major hurdle that could complicate things, particularly in the US market where DJI has faced some FCC scrutiny. However, given that they successfully navigated certifications for the Action 6 and other devices recently, many are hopeful that the Action 7 will see a smooth global launch. If everything goes according to plan, we could be looking at a new standard for portable video by the holiday season. As we wrap up this comparison, it's clear that the Action 6 was the hardware pioneer, while the Action 7 is poised to be the software and resolution powerhouse. For someone who already owns the current model, the choice isn't simple, but the potential for 8K and much better AI-assisted filming makes the Action 7 a very strong contender for a major upgrade. We will have to wait for the official specs to be certain, but the rumors are already painting a very impressive picture for DJI's next flagship. It will be interesting to see how the market reacts once the final details are out, and people can see the difference in image quality for themselves.